Hey guys, it's February 29th. It's Saturday. It's almost 8 in the morning. Beautiful Kado. Hi Bubba's. After work, I went and picked up a brand new, a used wheel for the Jetta. So I finally have a matching set of 4 Santa Monicas or Monte Carlos. I think they're Monte Carlos. Son of a bitch. Either way, I digress. I finally have a set of 4 wheels for the car. So I'm gonna install that today, finally, and I'm so stoked about that. I went to the laundromat last night. They stole money from me again. Every time I go there, they fucking rob my ass. So I stole their fucking cart. Robbed their goddamn cart. I'm gonna burn it. I would have cut it in 70 pieces. I was so pissed. My clothes didn't really get dried enough, so I just cranked the heater all the way up. We're just gonna dry them off the diesel heater. Why the fuck not? It's actually a pretty good idea. So yeah, I'm gonna deal with this for a little bit. And yeah, I got the bike. I'm ready to do some work on the Jetta. The head is almost rebuilt. I got all the valve springs removed from my old Mk3 head, the heavy duty valve springs. So I'm gonna install those in the Mk4 head today, only because I know all the valve seats and everything are good in that head. And I'm pretty sure cylinder 5 melted the valve seats on the head of the Mk3. Anyways, currently it's like 50 degrees outside. Fuck that game. So yeah, we're gonna work on the Jetta today. We're gonna get some work done. We'll see you guys on the next chapter. Let's get this cleaned up. Let's go potty. Let it warm up a little bit, then I'll come back and swap the new wheel on the Jetta, rebuild the head for the Mk4, and start putting the head back on, drop the oil pan, swap the pump, start swapping ARP hardware. I'm so excited to get that car turboed though. But it's beautiful out here. This is where I got the van stuck. Jesus Christ. Oh, are you okay? He just ate shit. He's staring at me. He's going. God damn it, that was so funny. Whoa. Whoa. Did you poop? Did you poop? Go poop. You gotta sit. Thank you. He's my best friend. He's my best friend. Okay. So I gotta break my cart. Back at work, my 4-inch to 3-inch reducer came. That'll go on the turbo compressor, and also the T3 titanium. What the fuck's it called? Turbo. Shut the fuck up. The turbo blanket arrived, so that's cool as shit. We got that stuff now. So I'm gonna go rebuild that head real quick. Hopefully I can figure out what the torque specs are for the cam caps. But we shall see. Alright, gang. My idea this year is to use 2 head gaskets and the sandwich plate. Give me about 8.5 to 1 compression. Oh boy, that's a stack. That is a stack. Alright, let's see what happens. I would bring it backwards. Like a jackass. Now we gotta go find the head studs. Whew, alright guys, the head's on. I got all the ARP hardware in. Nothing's tight. I gotta find a new, I gotta Dremel out a fucking one of the washers because it won't go down. I gotta put this thing back together. Get closer. Well, that's as good as I'm gonna get it. There's 2 chips in the fucking lens. Anyways. Got the top end almost done. Tomorrow I'll fix that last bolt. I guess the last washer. And then progress though.